Okay. Okay, 1 and 2. If you do not know which one is plus, I'm gonna write it down clearly so that you can see. This is divide, this is plus, this is minus, and this is times. Okay, you keep score. Okay, keep score of the how many points you get. I think it's 1 point for this, 1 point for the first few questions. And let us see now. Sorry. Hold on. See, okay. Well done to Putri and Ilhan. Come, Mr. It's not Ilhan, sorry. Putri and Zahin. Wrong number, wrong person. Come, Ilhan, we need your answer. Otherwise, I need to contact the other student now. Where is the student? Is he coming? Oh, you all have already, I think. Okay, let's see. Ilhan, okay, all of you got it right for the first one. Zahin for the second one, also correct. Congratulations. Okay, in case you're not too sure, nearest 1,000, nearest 1,000. We are talking about here, right? So you need to ask yourself, do you plus 1? Yes, you do, because it's 5. So it's 2, 4, 6. Now the next one now. Ilhan, no, sorry. Zahin has gotten right for the next one. What about the rest? Meanwhile, sorry, I need to refresh the page so that I can show the third one. So Zahin, you move on to the third one while we ask the other students to do. This is divide, this is minus, this is plus, and the last one is times. Okay. All right, well done, Putri. Oh, Zahin that fast. Zahin, congratulations for the next one also. Ilhan, yes, Ilhan also well done. So all of them you got 3, yeah. So I don't need to explain. The next one. We are now moving to question number 3. But before that, let me just okay. Question number 3, and Mr. Zahin has to go to question number 4. Okay, so Zahin can try question number 4. Factors means numbers that can be divided. Those numbers can be divided by the factors. Factors are numbers that the numbers can divide. Yes, correct. The second attempt is correct, Irhan. The first one. You put the one with the question mark is correct. Yeah, correct. Because that can be 12 can be divided by that number. 30 can be divided by that number. Correct. What about put 3? Question number 3. Factors. So you can do it this way. Normally, I'll do it this way. Okay, if you have forgotten, factors of 12. 1 times 12. Then 2 times 6. What are numbers that? Okay, Zahin. Congratulations, Zahin. Then 3 times 4. Example. Any more? No. Then 30. 1 times 30. What are numbers that you can be divided? These numbers can be divided by 2 times 15. 3 times 10. So what are the common factors? Is 2 and 3. In fact, 5 times 6 also, right? But the other side has 6. But they don't have the combination. 2 and 3 is the correct one. 2 and, yeah, okay, you get it right. There's also 6, but they didn't give you the 6 and 4. 4 is not. So let us move to the next one. Okay, now. Okay, Zahin, you can move on to the next one. Come, this one, this is a divide sign. Remember, you need to do the flip. You need to do the flip. Okay, we're waiting still for the answers. You cannot cancel top bottom times bottom. Zahin, you okay, Zahin? Look a little bit weak, yeah? Okay, we have new answer now. All right, congratulations, Potri. Congratulations, Ilhan, well done. So 2 times 6, 12 over 35, that's it. So now you're all on the same page as Zahin. So again, let us try. So it's good so far. If we got all correct, it's 1 point each. Let us see. Zahin. So sorry, Zahin, 1 point off for question number 5. Well, according to the answer key, then maybe we'll try shortly, yeah? We'll try shortly. You try the next one. Let's see. What about the rest of you? This next one, Zahin, is your number 6 answer, is it? Or number 5 answer? Number 5. Sorry, it's according to answer key. According to answer key, the answer key may be wrong. I'm going to check in a moment, but both answers are not correct. Okay, you need to work out what this is. You need to work out what this is. You need to, yeah. You need to find out what plus 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 minute more before I show you the answer to question number 5. 1 minute more. All right, Zahin. For 6 correct, Zahin, can you try again question number 5? My suggestion is find out what's this answer, find out what's this answer, and what plus what plus what, yeah. Or once you get these two, you can add together, right? So this plus what equals to this. Let's see, Putri for question number 5, Putri, okay. So Putri is not correct, Ilhan not correct, so we are going to go through this now. So now let us do one by one. Please watch carefully. 3, can you cancel any of it? Cannot. So top times top, 3 times 12, 36 over 5. So 36 over 5. Is anyone confused? All okay, yeah? So 36 over 5, if you divide by long division, you get 715. Okay, 715. If you don't believe, you see 35 divided by 5 is 7. So you got 1 balance. Now this is equals to this. Let's say 3 over 3. This is 3 times 3, 9, 9 over 5. 9 over 5 is the same as 145. Right? 145 plus 35 is how much? Well, let's add together lah. And then you have plus one more. The last one down here, we just put something here first. This is the last one lah. It's together. Why? Because there's a time sign. So you don't break it up. You're supposed to do this. But let us check. This is 145 plus 35. How much is it? You get 2 wholes, 2 over 5 plus how much? So let us find out now. In order to find this, you take 715 minus 225, you can get this. If you're confused what you're doing now, let's say now you have something like that. Imagine you have something that someone asks you, what number should it be? You say 5. I say, how you get 5? 7 minus 2 get 5, correct. Same thing. 7 1/5 minus 2, 2, I think you get this one. So now let us minus now. 7 1/5. It's a little bit tedious, but you can get it. So now how to minus? 1 cannot minus 2. Don't go in 2 minus 1. 1 cannot minus 2. So break this up. You break this 6 and then 5, 5. 6, 5, 5 is 7, right? 6 whole. 5 over 5 is 1 whole. So it's 7. Then you don't forget to plus a 1. Can you see what I'm doing? So I plus 1 because there's a 1 on here. So what number it becomes? I'm going to rub this off now. It becomes, there's no 5 plus 1, right? It's going to become 6 lah. Okay, it's going to become 6. Don't get confused, Then you minus 2 to 5. 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. So this thing, the end result is supposed to be 445. But look confusing now. How to get 445? Never mind, we make it improper fraction. 4 times 5, 20 plus 4, 24. Now it's easier. Watch, watch carefully. This is 24 over 5. Are you confused by this? No, right? You're confused. Putri, you're confused? What I'm doing here? Ilhan, you confused? Ilhan's tired here. Zahin, you confused? What I'm doing here? Are you confused? You don't know what I'm doing? Zahin, are you confused or not? You're confused? I explain again. No, So now down here now, we are going to make it link. This is the same as 24 over 5. So let us see. Now we have, okay, I'm going to use another color lah. It's quite messy here. So, but before that, I'm going to clear this one first. I just clear this one first, so that we know. I'm now going to do this one in blue. Remember, I need to get an answer 24 over 5. See, 25 over 5. So what? 24. I have over 5. This one is 3. What number must I times 3 to get 24 over 5? 8. 8 times 3, 24 what? Over 5. So the answer is 8. So I repeat how I did. First of all, you look at this thing. This now being multiplied. You must work this out. We work this out, we get 145. This one, you don't need to work this out because it's already 3/5. This one, you don't break it up. It's together because you got a times later. So this one, when you times, you get 7 1/5. 7 1/5 is equals down here, is equals to 145 plus 35 plus this last one down here. Then you add these 2 is 225. How to find out this last one, the total value? 715 minus 225. This one must be 445. This one is 445. But to find the 445, we must change it to improper fraction, which is what? 24 over 5 down here. Then we can see what number must times 3 to get 24. Okay, a little bit complex, a little bit tedious, so the answer down here is number 8. Now, algebraic expression, to simplify, we group the A together. Remember the sign is in front. 6A minus 5A is equals to 1A. But 1A, we call it A lah. A. 1A is A. Then 14 plus 2, 16. A plus 16 or 16 plus A. which is number 2. Okay, we are now going to go to the next one. I hope you are able to get it. Come, Akil, turn on the video, Akil. Come. Mr. Akil, Mr. Akil. Okay, can you try 7 and 8? Yes, 7 and 8. It's on, but we see nothing. We can see black thing. Okay lah. If it's on, I will share with you what we can see of you lah. Then we can see. Just a short while, I'll just show Akil because he cannot see. So Akil, this is what we are seeing of you. Hold on. No. Ya Allah, where is it? Okay lah, never mind. Anyway, the points we can't see you lah. Okay, but then when we go back to this, 7 and 8, 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let's try.
I can't hear you.
I am so sorry. I'm talking to myself. Ya Allah. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for reminding me. Okay, now I want to move on for Zahin. Your answer for number 8 is correct also. Akil, Ilhan, let's see. Yeah, one of them is the answer. One of them is the second one. So let us try. We plus 1 hour 50 minutes. Okay. Notice down here. Okay. If you're not so sure, Putri, I'm not giving you answer, Putri. Do you know how to do? Okay, this is hours, this is minutes. So I'm using the 24-hour clock lah. You know 24-hour clock? No, so I plus first. Now be careful, okay? When you add down here, this become 5 plus 5, 10, you know. So I put 105 minutes first down here. I put the minutes down here. Why? Because this, you cannot just carry the one there. So this one is 12. 12:105 cannot be 12:105. This one must change. 1 hour, there's 60 minutes. So I break the 60. 60 plus what is 105? 60 plus 45. So this is now 1 hour. Can you see 1 hour here? So 12, 13, 45. That is the time in 24-hour clock. So if you want to find out what is 13:45, okay, 12 is 12. The next one is 1 p.m. So this is 1:45. Okay, if you're not so sure, I'll show you on the whiteboard. 24-hour clock. Not so sure. I'll just write it on the board again. Okay, now. So down here now, you have over here, where's my downstairs? Okay, now down here, you have now the 24-hour clock, 010, which is the same at 1 a.m. So 020, 2 a.m. So this continues until 11 a.m. Then 12:00 p.m. It becomes p.m. This one is 12:00, no dot. This one is 12 p.m. Then the next one now becomes 13:00, which is 1 p.m. After 12 is 13. So just now we get 13:45. Right? 14 is what time? 14 is 2 p.m. So this is just now we got 13:45. Is 1:45. Are you okay? You know what I'm talking about? This one now is used in the army now. Why? They do not want to be confused. Let's say the officers say, I want you to come at 2 o'clock. He means 2 a.m. You come at 2 p.m. So that's why they use 24-hour clock. Say 0200 hours. So we all know. This starts at midnight, right? 0000 start midnight. Tengah malam, 12 midnight. Then 1 a.m., 2 a.m., and so on. So it's the same right until 12 p.m. Once you go 1300 hours is 1 p.m. So just now was 13:45 when we added, right? When we added it just now for the question, if you remember, we added 11:55 plus 150, we get 13:45. We got this. So 13:45, I'm just showing you the what? The difference between the conversion. 1300 is 1 p.m. 1400, 2 p.m. So this 13:45 is before 2 p.m. It's 1:45. Okay, I hope you get it. If you don't get it, can you just send me a note to say, I don't understand what you're talking about? Can we do the timeline? Okay, sure, we can do the timeline. No problem, okay? So you do the timeline, it's easier for you. All right, do the timeline. So if it's 11:55, so you draw the timeline. 11:55, okay, you plus 1 hour, 12:55, and then you plus another how many minutes? 50 minutes. Okay, not a problem. Take 12:55 plus 50 minutes. Okay, and then you get your answer 145. Okay, not a problem, not a problem. Okay, but yeah, but just find out different ways of doing it. Sometimes it's better for you to do so. I'm just going to show you Akil. Akil, can you see the Antu down here? There's Antu down here. There's no one there. We cannot see you. No one can see you. Putri, can you see Akil? No, no one can see you. So yeah, but I leave it to you. Okay, if you can be seen, it's even better. But you cannot be seen, that means you might be not a human being. All right, here we go. And let's try. Question number 8. Okay, we move on because Zahin has finished already. So let us try question this one. You all learned about symmetric figure last year? Yes, right? So you can do this one. So this is question number 9. You must be able to identify the base and the height. Remember, the base and the height meets at 90 degrees. There are two perpendicular lines meeting like this. All right, or like this, or like this is 90 degrees. Let us see now. We have the answer from a student. Let us see which student this is from. Mr. Zahin, he says the answer is this. Congratulations for question 9, Mr. Zahin. All right, well done. What about question number 10? Which one is a symmetric figure? It means you can cut it into exactly 2 halves. Even your face is not symmetrical. You put a mirror here, it's a different face. Unless you go for cosmetic surgery. Congratulations, Mr. Zahin. Well done. So now What about the rest? Okay, if you cannot see this, so I'm going to shift it for you. If you cannot see properly, I will now rotate view so that it is easier for you. They want you to identify the base and the height. Okay. So now imagine the base is at the bottom here. Imagine. So what's the height? The height is here. It has to meet the 90 degrees. Okay. So this can be the height and this is the base. DC is the base, AE is the height. Let me get you back. Oh, how cannot? Hold on. Just hold on. Are we? Oh, it's still upside down. Rotate. One more time. Okay, let's see. So as we said just now, AE is the height. AE the height, CD is the base. The answer is number 2. Okay, number 2 is the answer. Now we go to the next one now. The next one, they're asking you which of these is a symmetric figure. That means you can cut into exactly 2 halves. You have only one figure that can be cut exactly into 2 halves. No, number 3, you cannot. You see, you cut into 2 halves. It's not a symmetric figure. So how to cut the 2? Let's say I cut into 2. Can you see this part is shorter than this one, longer? Cannot. Unless both are of the same. Yes. Number 1. Number 1. Let us look at number 1. We look at number 1. Okay. Number 1. This is like we can cut it. This is a 3D shape, right? When we cut it like a cake, we can cut exactly into 2 halves. So yes, this is a symmetric figure. Because if you know, I mean, this is like a button or something, you can cut exactly in the center. Okay, we move on to the next one again. Here we go. Now, I think question 11, let me see. Question 11 onwards, let me see. 1 to 10, 1 mark. 11 to 15, 2 marks. So far, you all have been getting 1 mark, 1 mark. Now we're going to go into 2 marks now. 2 mark territory. This is 2 mark now. 2 marks each. Okay, please try. 2 marks. Just a moment, okay? I need to plug my. All right, we have 3 answers now. Let us see. 3 persons have come in with question 11. We hope that Akil is one of them. Mr. Akil, are you there, Mr. Akil? Oh, Akil has given no answer. I do not know whether this is the previous answer or this is. Akil, have you given an answer now? Okay, Ilhan, let me see. Question number 11. Zahin, your answer for 11 is correct. Akil, your answer number 11 is correct. Ilhan, your answer for number 11 is incorrect. Incorrect means not inside correct, but it means it's not right. What about Miss Putri? Do you know how to do this, Putri? You know. Oh, waiting, okay, no problem. Yeah, I must give enough time. If I'm not giving enough time, because sometimes some are fast. Done. All right. Okay. So well done. So let us check now. Okay. The answer is correct also. So let us see now. This is 21 plus 4y4. You can put a bracket on here, 6. 4y means 4 times 6 lah, over 2. So how to do? You just copy 21 here plus 4 times 6 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. See, 4 times 6 is 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. And then you plus, you get 33. Okay, 33. Question 4 is the answer. Let us see now. We are waiting for, let me see, who has gotten. Question 12 now. Mr. Zahin has given the answer of question 12. Let us see whether it is correct. Question 12. Huh? So sorry, Mr. Zahin. Question 12 is incorrect. Incorrect doesn't mean it's inside what is correct. Incorrect means it's wrong. Let's see. Akil, your answer is also incorrect. Incorrect doesn't mean it's correct. It means it's wrong.
Done.
Done. Okay, so everyone so far is giving what's wrong, what's wrong. Okay, come. That was fine.
Am I correct?
Okay, all of you have the same answer. So let us see, but the answer according to answer key is wrong. Let us see. So what is wrong? Zahina asked what is wrong. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. Okay. At a carnival, the number of adults to the number of children. So I write A is to C, right? Is 7 is to 9. But you must remember, this C is made up of boys and girls. So now boys is to girls. This is 1 is to
5.
So altogether is how many? Is 6. So we got to make a number that both of them can have similar. Let's use how much? 54. Any number smaller than 54? I don't think so. Let's see, divide by 2, 3, 27 cannot. So we take 54. So I'm going to times by 9. I get 54. This one I times by 9. This one I times by 9. So my new ratio is 9 is to 45. For the boys is to girls. Okay. Remember, we are looking like that. If you're confused, yeah, this is what it is. So down here now, I've made it 54. I must also change this to 54 times 6 times 6. So this is 42 is to 54. Okay, now I'm going to write now down here. I'm going to write above here, a different color. Okay, adults to boys and girls. Adult down here, they say it's 42. Boys, we have already changed. It's 9. Girls is 45. So the question is, what is the ratio of the number of girls to adults? Girls is 45. Girls to adults. 45 to 42. I will now divide it by what? Both of them can divide by 3, I think. You divide it by 3, you get 15. Divide by 3, you get 14. So can you see the answer is 4. Who's confused? Zahina, you're confused? Putri is confused, okay. I will repeat again. Okay, okay. So now I erase the whole thing. I erase the whole thing first. I erase the whole thing so that we come with a clean sheet first. Now, there is now 2 different ratios. One ratio is boys to girls. Boys, girls. So we know that the ratio now of the boys to girls is 1 is to 5. Now the boys and girls, if you add them together, is 6. Now these boys and girls you plus together is children, you know. Do you agree, Putri? Boys and girls combined become children. So now the children now total is 9. Okay, let's see. Adults, they say adults to children. 7 to 9. Now I have a problem. My total units for children is 6 down here. My total is 9 down here. I need them to be the same. so that I can compare adults to the rest. So that's why I go and multiply. I multiply to make the same number. So I multiply by 6. I multiply here by 9. And if I times 6 here, I must also times 6 here. So I get 42 down here is 254. And when I multiply down here, I must also multiply here, so I know how many boys I times by 9. Because I times this 9, I must also times this by 9. So the girls 5 times 9 is 45. So they want the ratio of girls to adults, right? Girls to adults. So the is 45. So I put 45 down here. And the adults is 42. Then I can reduce, divide by 3, and I will get 15 is to 14. How? Okay now. Zahin, okay? You get it, Zahin? Zahin? Okay, yeah? You must be able to get it, otherwise the tuition is of no value. So if you don't know, please ask. It's okay for you not to know. You are having tuition, so this is the place to ask. I do not know. Maybe other teachers say, how come you don't understand? First time I explain, you don't understand. Second time I explain, you don't understand. Don't bother about it. Okay, you can ask me 1,000 times. I will not get angry with you. Okay, why? Because that's my job. That is my job. Okay, but if the students are playing around, then it's different, right? That I need to make sure you understand. You see, so sometimes the students, they are playing around. So what can I do? Okay, here we go. Question number 13. So the last two is 2 marks each. Okay, 2 marks each. So this one is also a 2-mark question. All the best. Difference between X and Y. Oh, wow. X and Y. Let's see. Someone has, Zahin says, they say you're not correct. Maybe the answer key is wrong. I do not know. Let us see. The difference between X and Y. Okay, Akil, they say your answer is correct. But we got to make sure that it is not fluke lah. It is not by luck. So let us see. So sorry, Zahin. Okay, I'll give you a clue. Give you a clue, okay? Don't give clue. I just give clue lah. Zahin, you have chosen 3 answers. All 3 are wrong. So the fourth, don't need to tell me the fourth answer. You know what's the fourth answer. Okay, let us see carefully, okay? You know that this angle is the same as this angle too. Why? Because they are straight lines. A, B, C, D are straight lines. So this is opposite, like a scissors. Now you do like scissors, open, close. The opposite are the same. So now how? Well, what's the difference between the X and Y? Look, B plus C lah is the difference. X is bigger than Y by B and C. Are you okay? Can see now? Can see, yeah? I hope you can see. Putri can see? This plus the blue plus the green is same as the X. You agree? Blue plus green is the same as X. So X minus Y, the difference between X and Y, because difference, the difference means X minus Y is equal to BC. Yeah? Okay, I hope it's okay. Yeah? You must read the question carefully. All right, here we go now. Please try this one question. Okay, the first answer has come in. We have, so sorry, Mr. Zahin, you got to check again. So sorry, Mr. Akil. Maybe both of you are giving the same answer, but they are wrong according to the answer key. Maybe I might be wrong. Zahin now has corrected his answer according to the answer key. Your new answer is correct. Well, let us see now. What about the rest? They want you to find, yes, okay, I know. Somebody say, wait, don't, okay. Want you to find, I will just draw this for you so that it's easy for you to read. Oh, alamak. Bad drawing, man. Putri correct. Akil correct. We are waiting for Mr. Ilhan. Okay, never mind. We do now. This is 150, right? 150. This one is how much? This one 30 lah. 30. Okay. This one, next one is 60. Next one is 120. The next one is 140. And the final one is 200. So you add all of them together and divide by, but you don't add all them together because they say only February to April. So which are the numbers you need to add? Well, you need to add this one. February is this one, 30. March 60. April 120. These three numbers, 30 plus 60, 90. 90 plus 120, 210. 210 divided by 3 months, 1, 2, 3, is equals to 70. Now, if you do not know, remember, formula for average is Mr. Tan, T-A-N. Alamak, ing dia hilang. T-A-N. Okay, this is total. You want to find total, average times number. If you want to find average, take the total. Total on here is 210. Divided by the number of months on here, which is 3. So you get 70. Okay, we move on to the next one. Those of you got this correct, it's 2 marks. It is 2 marks. Two marks for your last question for this one. Might be a little bit challenging. Number the last question is. Okay, if you feel sleepy, you can rinse your face. Okay. We have the first answer coming in. Let us see from who is this? Mr. Akil. I'm so sorry, Mr. Akil. Your answer is the same as Zahin again. Hey, I hope both of you not communicating each other lah. Both have the same wrong answer. Hey, apalah. Akil, invisible boy, are you communicating with Zahid? Just now earlier on also. To get the same right answer is not shocking, but to get the same wrong answer, the antenna goes up. That's how teachers find out that students copy. You know how? The wrong answer, how come all the wrong answer the same? Something is wrong. Right answer the same, maybe they studied for the test. So let us see. Okay, let us see now. I do not know whether you know. Okay, Akil answers better. Ilhan, no, Ilhan got the same answer as Zahin and Akil at first. What about Putri? Okay, wait, Putri says, so you're think through. Because sometimes you need time to think. And it's my duty to provide that. You must remember this is like incomplete. This is like incomplete table, you know. They did not give you certain numbers. They didn't give you this number. They didn't give you the number. They didn't give you this number. They didn't give you this number. They didn't give you this number. Okay. Based on what you have alone, you are interpreting. It's like asking, is this a fair test or not? Let us see, yeah. Okay. So far, well, Ilhan, you got it right the second time. Akil, second time, got it right now. Let us go for this one. 1/5 of the students with CCA are boys. Students with CCA, the total you can calculate. Why? Because you got how many boys with CCA? 10. How many girls with CCA? 15. So now you can have 25, not a problem. Okay. Now 1/5 of the students with CCA are boys. What is 1/5 of those in the CCA? 1/5 of CCA. So like that. So when we do 1/5 like that, what do we get? Divide by 5, divide by 5. 1 times 5 is 5. The answer is only 5. So what it's saying is 5 of the students with CCA are boys, but not 5. The boys have got 10. So this is wrong. Can you see now? They say 1/5 of the students with CCA are boys. Total number of students in CCA is 25. Say, how do you know 25? 10 of the boys got CCA, 15 of the boys got girls got CCA. That means 25 students got CCA in total lah. So 1/5 of that is 5. But they say the number of boys is not 5, it's 10. So this is out. 25% of the girls are without CCA. Do you know the total number of girls? You know. So you see 15 plus what equals to 15 plus what equals to 20. Oh, very simple lah. 15 plus 5 lah. 15 plus 5. Yes. So let us find out those without girls without CCA. What's the percentage? 5 over total 20 times 100. That's what you done. The number of girls without the CCA over total number of girls times 100. When you do this, you will get, divide by 2, you get 5. Divide by 2, you get 1. 5 times 5, 25. This is the correct answer. Okay, I don't need to go further because you already got number 2 as the correct answer. Okay, but we just go through this one. There are more girls than boys without CCA. We don't know the figure, how to compare. Cannot tell. This one cannot tell. Their ratio number of girls to number of boys in 6A is 4:5. Well, this one we know total is this. Total is how many? 20. This one we can minus what? 30 minus 36 minus 20 gets 16. So number of boys, this one girls to boys. Girls is 20, boys is 16. When you reduce and reduce, it becomes 5 is to 4, not 4 is to 5. This one they say 4 is to 5. So again, this one is wrong. So answer is number 2. Okay, let us move on to the next one. If you need to wash your face, whatever, please carry on. Please carry on. You need to go to the toilet, please carry on. Okay. There are those who are laughing at me because I feel a little bit tired myself. Okay, let's try this one. Now down here we cannot see, so I am going to assume no need to do question 17. We can't see the question. Just this question. 16. This is divide. This is divide. Congratulations, Miss Putri. I think you're the first to get answer. I can tell what? Zahin, congratulations. In hand, this looks like a date. Now, very simple. Oh, sorry. Oh, in hand, sorry. That one is not answer. So 18 over 1 divided by 4 over 5. Now you change it to times. 18 over 1 times 5 over 4. Now you can only divide this by 2. Divide by 2. You get 9. 9 times 5 is 45 over 2. You change it into improper fraction, you get 22 and a half. Okay, to mix number. You don't know how to do this, use the long division like that. Okay, I won't go further lah. You can do this. Akil, are you there, Akil? Akil, we miss you, Akil. The world misses you. Was it something? Okay, wait, don't do this, don't do this, don't do. It's P6, right? Can you try question 21? Question 21. We cannot draw this up. Question 21. Okay. One eight. I don't think so. My suggestion is change them to have the same denominator. Then you can see the pattern. Change it to same denominator. Maybe you use the denominator of 8. Use it in denominator of 8. Akil, I don't think you can do it that way, Akil. Change it to same denominator, Akil, then you can see the pattern. Change it to denominator of 8, boys and girls. I think most probably you're correct, Zahin, but let me check. Yes, you're correct, Zahin. Okay, Zahin is correct. So we change it to denominator of 8. Come on, you can see the pattern. Come, boys and girls, come on. You change it to denominator of 8. What do you get? You times by 2. You times by 2. Not true. Not true, Mr. Azad. So this is 2 over 8. You times by 4. You times by 4. This one is 4 over 8. Center must be what over 8? 2 in between 2 and 4 is what? It's 3 lah. Okay, get it now. Okay, I hope you get it lah. Inshallah. We are moving now. So we have half an hour left. Okay, not doing this. Not doing this. Okay, let us see. Hold on now. We are gonna do another paper also. Okay, can you try this one, please? You notice that I'm training you all for the first paper first. We make sure that we can score, then the confidence will be built. Okay, so now we are doing now the next 15 questions only for the rest of this session. So I hope you are able to make it. Okay, let us look at your answers. 3 of you have sent your answers. Here we go. Ilhan, correct. It's not Ilhan. Zahin, correct. Akil, not correct. No, Putri, okay, correct. Putri number 2, correct. Zahin number 1, correct. Akil number 1, not correct. If that's your answer for number 2, Akil, write the question number. Yeah, that's correct if it's for question number 1. The next one, number 3, is it? Putri is not correct. Okay, we're going to go through shortly. Zahin number 2, correct. Only Zahin is writing the question number, no? So you just write question number, answer lah. Zahin number 3, correct. Congratulations, straight flush, Zahin. First 3. So now I'm going to go through question 1 first. Question 1 first. Number, let's take the number with the n. 12n minus 2n is 10n. 10n plus 7n is 17n. There's only one 17n here. It's 17n plus 37. This is the first one. Is number 2. Next one now, we've got to see bigger. So now down here, what do we do? This is plus, right? Times. Okay. So you ask yourself now down here. This is now broken up into 2 parts. But just now, the one is being multiplied, you consider it as one number. So this one is considered as one number. This now is another number. So what plus what? So 154. Let's see if we say 2 plus 3 equals to 5. So down here 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5, 2 plus 3, right? Down here. 5 minus 3 is 2 lah. So 154 minus 4. This one down here is 150. So 0.15 times what? If you times 1,000, you get 150. So answer for number 2 is 4. Next one, Okay, I think we gotta wait for a while, Mr. Zahir. Oh, I tell you what, can we move on to this one? We move on to this one first so that Zahir doesn't need to wait. You need to do long division for question number 4. Let us see. Cannot use calculator for this one, Wow. All right, question number 4. Let's see. Question number 4, Zahin, so sorry. Akil, correct. Putri, correct. Irhan, so sorry. So now how to do this question? Very, very simple. You divide by 7, the 7 is supposed to be outside. 2 is supposed to be inside. So now what you do? 2 divided by 7, sorry, cannot put a 0 already, put a dot. Finish. Now you can also put a dot. Yeah, but basically 0, you can add as many as you want. So now 20 cannot. 20 can. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Right? So you minus get 6. Bring down the 0. 60. What times what equals 60 or less than 60? 56. 8 times 7. 8 times 7, right? So now you put 8. You minus, you get 4. Bring down the next 0. 40. Well, cannot. 35. 35 down here, you get 5. And it continues. They ask you now to 2 decimal places. That's why you make to the third one. This one have to plus 1. 5 down here have to plus 1. 0, 2, 9. Okay, I hope you get this is correct, right? 0 to 9. Question number 4. Okay. The next one now. If possible, write the question number. Zahin is the one who write question number. Zahin, question number 5 is correct. Putri, question number 5 is correct. And what about the rest? Come on. Ilhan and the rest. Okay, Zahin and Putri can move on to the next question. Akil, correct. Ilhan, correct. Well done. So I don't think I need to explain this, or do I? Okay, you all move on. Means all are correct. So you don't need to explain. Unless you're not sure, you must tell me. So now, can you try question 6 and 7? You have 20 minutes more. 20 minutes more. Okay, if you all got questions you don't know, you must inform me, send it to me so that I can go through. Zahin, congratulations again. Well done for number 6. Okay, Zahin, Akil correct for number 6. Ilhan correct. What about Putri? Question 6, have you done? Still doing. Still doing. Okay, then the rest you move on. Zahin, question 7. So sorry, please try again. Akil, question 7, congratulations.
Not sure, Chair.
Not sure, okay. So now down here, we ask you, now we go through one by one, okay? Now, what's the total number of marbles, Miss Putri?
200.
200. So there's 65 blue, 45 red. Can you find the yellow marbles? How many are there? Can? 200 minus 65 minus 45. You get 90 lah. Are you okay? Now they ask you now, what percentage of total number is yellow? Well, this is yellow. What? Yellow is 90. Total number is 200. Cancel 0, cancel 0. 9 is to 20. Oh, what percentage? Oh, sorry. You want what percentage? So what percentage is, what percent of total number is yellow? So 90 over 200 times 100. That's it. So 45%. Are you okay, Putri? Yes, Number 6 is that. Okay, number 7, let's see. Number 7, Zahin has tried again. Zahin's second try is also wrong. Ilhan, if that's number 7, you're correct. Yeah, now your third try is correct. But third try is dangerous. Third try. Okay, we're gonna go through together. Maybe we ask Putri to go through. Okay, Putri, Zahra has how many stickers? Zahra.
3P.
3P, correct. So Lee Chin. Lee Chin got how many stickers?
One, no, P minus 4.
Good. So this is Lee Chin.
Yeah.
So how many stickers do they have altogether? We add, this one got P, this one got 3P, and this one got P minus 4. So we add them. P plus 3P is 5P minus 4. Is it okay? 5P minus 4 is number 3. 3 correct, Okay, we move on to the next one. We have 15 minutes left. I myself can do this. Let me try this one. I can do both. Good, you do both. You try your best. Okay, let us see. We have now question number. Zahin says question number. Congratulations, Zahin. Well done. For number 8. Ilhan correct. Akil correct. Number 8. Putri not okay. Which one of following shapes does not have both the properties below? Diagonally opposite angles are equal. Okay. Angles between parallel lines are equal. Okay, I'll tell you what, this one we do little. We try question number 9. Ilhan says the answers to. Congratulations, Ilhan. Sorry, Zahin. Try again. Akil, all your answers are incorrect. Okay. Putri, well done. Okay, now here we go. Let us go step by step. They tell you that all these are all straight lines. Okay. AB, CD, and OE. So this is a straight line. This is now, if you look at it carefully, it's vertically opposite angles. It's equal. It's equal to what? Sorry, hold on. This one is 30, yeah? And And then down here is 180, right? So this thing down here now is how much? 150 lah. The blue part is 150. 180 minus 30 is 150. Now they give you another clue now down here. What's the other clue? The other clue is angle A and B, they are equal. So you just divide by 2 lah. Divide by 2, you get 75. Okay, so it's 75. I repeat, this is as this. Then after that, down here is a straight line, down here is 180 degrees. Minus 30, you get the blue part. Blue part is 150. Divide by 2. Why divide by 2? These two are the same. So you get 75 for angle A. Okay, we move on to the next one. And here we go. Wow. Okay, please try. We have another 10 minutes more. 10 minutes more. We got to try to complete until question 15 now, if possible. Okay, I myself am tired also already. I got another 2 more classes. So I may have to sleep after this. Wow, who is that? I have not even thought of the question. You really finished. So here's a hint. Answers wrong, not correct. Ilhan, maybe you can. Akil, I do not know whether you just sent me the answer to the question, but you must write the question number lah, so I know. I do not know whether it's from the previous one or from this one or. Okay, if that's for number 10, then your answer is correct. Congratulations. Congratulations, Mr. Akil. All right, so let us do this one now. Question number 10. Okay, no problem, Zahin. You can correct. So in the figure, okay, no problem. We do this one first. We do question number 10 first. Let's do one by one. In the figure below, CD is where? This one. EF, GH are straight lines. And then EF and GH, EF and GH, so GH and EF, they are parallel. These two are parallel. So what does it mean? When it's parallel, you can do a zing, zing, zing. This is equal to this. That's the rule, for example. Okay, so there's a few ways. Let us test it now. Okay, the answer for 10 now. Let's see. Angle D is equals to angle E. D is here. D is equal to B. But now I say D is equals to E. No, it's not. Not true. Okay, so now the next one. They tell us that angle C is equal to angle G. C is equal to angle G. C is here. G is here. Okay, this is correct. So if let's say you were to draw a parallel line, I'm sure you have done this. This is equals to this. Okay, if it's parallel, then the other one is down here. Down here is equals to here. Okay, so C and G, they are equal, correct? Okay, I won't go further for this. Let us see now. The next one, number 11, is quite simple. This is also divide. So you all can try this first. or I go through. I go through like you try the next one. So 3 over 10 times 5 over 2. Divide by 5, 1. Divide by 5, get 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, we're going to move on to the next one. This time you try, we have only 6 minutes there. Can we do 12 and 13?
You're muted, Mr. Syed.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm not getting the answers from the rest. So number 12, come on, it's quite easy. 5 over 9 minus 3 over 5. That's what it is. Because you have 5 over 9 ribbon, use 3/5. Change them denominator, 45.
I sent already.
You send it, okay. I think all of you have gotten it correct. Okay. Akil, Zahin. What about Putri? You know how to do? There you have this. Okay, now if let's say you get confused. Mommy had 10, okay. Mommy had 10 meters of ribbon. Example. So I write 10 meters here. 10 meters here. She used 2 meters. How much ribbon has she has left? 10 minus 2, finish. 8. That one you can understand, can right? So now we use this one. You must minus 5, 9 minus 3/5. So you times this by 9, times this by 5, make the same denominator, times by 5, times by 9. So you get 25 minus, cannot be 27. Oh, Safla, sorry. I'm sleepy now, that's why I missed the thing. She used 3/5 of it. So 3/5 of this is how much? 3/5 of means times it is 5 over 9. So you cancel 1, you get 1, 3 over 9. It's the same as 1/3. Now you can just take now 5, 9 minus 1/3. Then you get your answer. Because, yeah, okay, so minus 3, 9, minus 3, 9. 1/3 is same as 3, 9. So you get 2 over 9. That's question number. Are you okay, Putri? Another way to do this is another way to do this is simple. Now, if she used 3/5, that means she's balanced with 2/5. Balance 2/5. So 2/5 of it is the balance. So just times. You see, can see now. Cancel. 2 times. So you get 2 times. Hold on. You cancel and cancel. 1, 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 9 is 9. Can you see it's the same thing? Some students may prefer this method. So again, how do it? She used 3/5 of it. So what is balance? Must be 2/5 lah. 2/5 of what? Of this amount. So 2 over 5 times 5 over 9 will give you 2/5, 29 meters. Yeah. Okay, the last question. Number 13. Akhil, well done. Ilhan, sorry, not. What about Zahin? Yeah, I know. You came in late, right, Akhil? So you must stay back, lah. Fair. So total is 100%. Total is 100%. 10% on food, 15% on transport. Total 25% already. Balance is 75%. 75% is the balance. It's the same as $300. You want to find how much you have at first. You want to find 100%. So you can divide by 75, you get 1%. Then you get a certain number lah. You can do like that. Divide by 1, 300 divided by 75. You find the answer. Then after that, you times to get 100 lah. Times 100. You will get $400. Okay. You get 1% is $4, I think. Am I correct? 1% is $4. 100%, 100 times 4 is 400. Okay, we'll stop here. See you next week. You got any questions, please message me before the lesson, please. And Akhil, try to fix your video, Akhil. We all will be thinking you are a mysterious student. Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Take care.